The Vanpowers City Vanture. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Vanpowers City Vanture electric bike. Here is a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. This is the pre-assembled option. More on that in a bit. And you can see it's packaged well in a double box. There's minimal assembly required, and I have linked the company video in the description box for reference. With the bike, you get the charger, pedals, tools, and user guide. Just to highlight the assembly, basically you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, install the pedals, install the seat, and adjust the brakes if needed. This was a pre-assembled version, and you can select an assemble yourself version, which basically you have to assemble the bike from scratch. If you are adventurous and pretty handy, then go that route. But if you want to save time and the headache, I would opt for the pre-assembled option. Just to go over some specs, there are 5 colors to select from as well as the assembly option during checkout. The bike has an aluminum alloy frame, 36 volt 350 watt rear hub motor, 36 volt 7 amp hour LG cell lithium ion down tube battery, LCD display, 5 pedal assist levels with integrated cadence sensor, 50 to 80 mile range, 25 mile per hour top speed, Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, Gates CDN belt drive, Pro Max handlebar and seat post. The bike weighs in at 34 pounds and the ideal rider height is 5'8" to 6'2". And here is a look at the overall dimensions. A brief walkthrough around the bike, you can see that the front has the Kenda tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and towards the middle and the back you have the battery tube, kickstand, and hydraulic disc brakes. On the other side you have the 350 watt rear hub motor and the Gates belt drive. And towards the top you have the charging port. Looking at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, control, and LCD display. Powering up the display, you can see it's bright and easy to read. Pressing the power button again, you can toggle the speedometer, max, and average speed. Pressing the up arrow will increase the pedal assist levels, and pressing the down arrow will decrease it. And holding down the down arrow for a few seconds will activate the walk assist feature. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. Let's see how it handles. This has no front suspension forks, or the tires are pretty skinny, made more for city type use. So let's see how it does. Yeah, you can really feel the bumps. Yeah, definitely a bumpy ride. Alright, now I'm going to test out the pedal assist levels. This has 5 pedal assist modes. It doesn't have a throttle, so I'm just gonna take it up to start off with 1 and then take it all the way up to pedal assist 5 and see how fast it can go. All right, so pedal assist 1 right now, and on the display it will say eco. All right, about 9 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2, it says normal now on the display. Hitting about 12 and a half. Pedal assist 3, you can feel the power now, about 16 miles per hour. pedal assist 4, 18 miles per hour, and pedal assist 5. So it looks like we're topping off at 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference. Alright, now I'm going to do the uphill test. I'm going to keep it on the pedal assist 5 and let's see if it can maintain the speed or if it slows down. Okay, let's give it a shot. Here we go. It's very smooth acceleration, just nice and gradual. Also very quiet. All right, we're at 18 miles per hour right now as we begin to climb here. So holding about 16 miles per hour. And I'm just pedaling it nice leisurely pace here. See how it does in this turn. All right. All right, going up the hill, we held about 16 miles per hour. Lost a little bit of speed, but it was pretty steady throughout. So now I'm gonna do the downhill test. Let's see how it does. Here we go. All right, we're up to 20 miles per hour. Just letting it glide here in this turn. Everything feels stable. I don't hear any noises, no rattles. Steering, handlebars, all nice and solid, firm. So we're holding about 20 miles per hour. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly was quick and easy with the pre-assembled option. If you choose the other, it will definitely take some time to complete. The bike feels solid and is very light. It looks like a normal bike as you don't have a large battery protruding out. The red color has a gloss finish to it and it looks sharp. There were no scratches or imperfections during the shipping process. The cable management is done well and ran through the frame with very minimal wires exposed. The ride was comfortable for this particular design. Some may find the seat to be a bit firm though. There were no rattles, vibration, or noises, and the steering felt stable. The handlebar is a good length, but you will have to hunch down a bit when riding. Rough surfaces will be a bit bumpy as well, as the tires are not made to go off-road and you don't have front suspension forks. The 350 watt motor performed surprisingly well. I thought it would be underpowered. It was able to handle the inclines and hold a decent speed throughout my testing. The motor is very quiet and the belt drive operates smooth. The pedal assist is responsive, and through my testing I got up to 20 miles per hour on level 5 and it has a rated speed of 25 miles per hour. And keep in mind, I was just pedaling at a leisurely pace, so 25 miles per hour is definitely doable. It also has an estimated range of 50 to 80 miles, and again that will depend on the pedal assist level, your weight, and the environment that you're in. The hydraulic brakes were strong and they grabbed on quick, and there's good stopping power. The LCD display is intuitive and easy to read, and I like how the different modes are in different colors. Overall, I feel this bike is solid. It has a stealthy look and you can mistake it for just a regular bike. It has a lightweight design and can easily be transported. This would be a good choice for those seeking a bike for an urban setting, as it has a performance, in my opinion, to handle the city type environment. So that is my review of the Vanpowers City Vanture electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.